functions is how to make one function call another function in class. Today, I'll introduce more about Python. I'll introduce how to draw graphics and how to display images. They are very useful and easy to learn. Let's go! Today, I will cover two topics. First is drawing graphics, and second is displaying images. Today's topic is very interesting because you will draw something on the screen. The screen is a canvas object. Do not worry about these objects because Python has canvas modules ready for you to use. This module is called tkinter module, and this module can support graphics. Please pay attention to the first line. The format is a little different from before. After typing from tkinter import asterisk, you do not need to type tkinter.tk every single time. The second line is to create the tk object that helps to display the root window and manages all the other components. The third line is to define the width and height of this window. The fourth line, canvas.pack, is to display everything properly. The last line is to create a line. The first two numbers mean the starting point coordinate, and the last two numbers mean the ending point coordinate. Here is the screenshot of the canvas output. The y-coordinate is different from math y-coordinate, which becomes higher the greater the positive y value is. Instead, here, the greater the positive y value is, the lower it goes. After we learn how to draw a line, let's advance to learn how to draw a rectangle. Look at this source code. The first 4 lines are the same if you do not want to change the canvas size. The only thing different is the last line, so let's look at the last line. To draw a rectangle, the command is create_rectangle. The first two numbers, 20, 20, are the starting coordinate, and the next two numbers, 350, are the ending coordinate. Since it is a rectangle, 2 points can define a rectangle. And then fill equals to red means to fill this rectangle with red color. Here is the screenshot of the canvas output. As I just mentioned, the smaller y value will be at the top and the greater y value will be at the bottom. So 2020 is at the top left and 350 is at the bottom right. After learning how to draw a rectangle, let's also learn how to draw a triangle. Since the first 4 lines are the same, we can just look at the last line. To draw a triangle, the command is create_polygon, not create_triangle. The first two numbers, 2020, are the first point. The next two numbers, 4070, are the second point, and 8020 is the third point. Since it is a triangle, 3 points can define a triangle. This time, I changed it to fill equals to green, and as you can guess, it will fill it with green color. Here is the screenshot of the canvas output. Still, the smaller y value will be at higher elevation. So, 2020 is at the top left, and 4070 is at the middle bottom, and then 8020 goes up to the top right at the same level as the first point. If you think images look better than the graphics you draw, don't worry. Python provides a way to display images. Look at this source code. The first 4 lines are pretty much the same, except I made the canvas smaller with width equal 400 and height equal 400. The fourth line is to assign the local path of this image from your computer to my_image. You can just follow this format, but change the drive name and also change your image name and file type according to your case. Lastly, tell Python where you want to display this image on the canvas. Don't forget to type my_image as the fourth parameter if this is the image object path. Here is the screenshot of the canvas output. It is located at the top left because we assign NW to anchor. NW means northwest. You can play around with other anchor values such as center, SE, E, W, and so on to see where the image is located. Congratulations! You have learned how to draw graphics and how to display images. Are you confident now? I will show you more tutorials on how to write Python programs in the future. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time!